Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Madeleine. I'm a digital and affiliate marketer. Today's video I'm going to show you how to create an ebook with inside of Canva. So I've had a lot of requests of some of my friends asking me to show them how do you create an ebook on Canva. So what I would do is I utilize ChatGPT. Unless you already have your information, you can come onto ChatGPT and ask it a question. Let's say, for instance, how do you do affiliate marketing for beginners? Step by step. ChatGPT will then give you an outline. You can then take this information and write your ebook or change it up, put a little bit of your own personality in there, put a little bit of your own take on it. So you can utilize ChatGPT, or another AI is Gamma. Oh, sorry. Gamma. As you can see here, I've already done an ebook on how to become a virtual assistant. So you can play with the AI platforms as well as Gemini. Then when you come into Canva, you will go and let's say search here on top for ebook. As you can see, Canva will then give you a lot of ebook designs. You can then go and choose the one that you feel draws the most attention to you or what you want to do. Let's say we're going to take this one. You will then say customize this template. So here on top you will name the ebook what you want to name it. You can then go and change the wording. When you click on there, you can change the wording. If you click here, you can change the fonts. Here you can change the text color. You can change the background. If you go to elements, you can say backgrounds. So there you can change the backgrounds. You can change the layout. So you can then let's say you want to change the photo, you will upload your photos here from your computer. You would like to change the photos, or you could go into elements and let's say search for whatever you would like to computer. Oh, let's just say computer. Let's say photos. Canva will give you stock images that you could use. Just drag and drop. So you can customize this design as much as you like. You can make it less pages. You can make it add pages. If you go to design, you will be able to take pages from other ebooks. Let's say, for instance, you want to do this one. It will open the pages of the ebooks and you can add the pages. You can change the colors. That's for the text. Let's just, you can change the colors of the blocks. So you can truly go and customize this ebook as your own. If you click on it, you can add links. You right click on it, right click on the mouse. You can add links that you would want to, if they click on it, they can go to your product. Add your name, add your socials. Really do go play with. Canva is very nice and you do not have to pay for it. They do have a free version, although I do have the paid version. When you are done, you just then say share. Then you can choose, are you going to give it a PDF? Are you going to download it as a PDF for people? Or do you just want to have them, so you make it a public view link or a template link? Are you going to put master resale rights on it? Or are you going to put private label rights on it so that they can customize it as their own? Or do you just want them to view it? Then you create a link. So all you do then is just, after you've taken the information, you just copy and paste it inside of this ebook and truly just go and play with it and design it as you would like to. Otherwise, what you can do is, there is an option to go and design it from scratch. There you can click on create blank, then you can truly go and create this from scratch. You will then be able so here you can add the text, title, heading. They have some templates here that you can use if you like that. You can change the color. With elements, you can do graphics, shapes, photos, videos. You can add photo frames and add your photos, mock-ups. You can upload your pictures. And there's the background. You can change the background. So you can really play with Canva, and it's extremely easy as well. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know in the comments or reach out to me. I will put my email address inside of the description. You must have one amazing day. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and like this video.